We're gonna go ahead and grab our Chromebooks. We're gonna log in. Good morning. My name is Brooke Hogan. I've been teaching for 9 years. I teach 7th grade math, science, and health. I try and get to know each and every one of my students on a personal level. Good job. Awesome. So that they know that I recognize them as a human being and as a person, not just as my student within my room. Log in to Khan Academy. I use Khan on an almost everyday basis, at least every other day. So you guys will see that I have assigned you guys 2 assignments. I will give them as assignments. I have given them as quizzes. The kids love using Khan as quizzes because I allow them 1 retake. So if they don't like their score, because they get their score at the end, then they're like, I want to retake it. All right, let's get to work. When I assign an assignment, I go back and I look at the data on the reports tab. With Khan in my classroom and having that accessibility in my classroom on a daily basis, it really allows me to work with small groups within our instructional time.
We don't know how to do the age.
Those kids who need that reteaching or to have some concepts reinforced within my instructional time. Yeah, nice work. Good job. My students love it. They absolutely love Khan. When I say, on any given day, okay guys, we're gonna work on Khan today, yes. I hear them starting to challenge each other, like, oh, what are you gonna work on? No, I'm gonna work on this, I'm gonna work on this. Just in taking practice tests, their math scores have jumped so much. Not only their math scores, but I've seen their confidence go up a lot. Perfect. Awesome. Perfect. I love seeing the light bulbs go off on my kids' faces when they finally understand a concept and they get it. You see that excitement, they're like, I got it! And I'm like, yes! I really want them to be able to transfer the knowledge that they learn in the classroom and be able to transfer it to their real lives. Yeah. Perfect.